How to fix League of Legends game not working. So if you want to fix League of Legends game not working, then just follow the process. One of the most common reasons that the game isn't launching is that a previous session didn't close properly, leaving a process running in the background. So in order to fix that, simply right-click on your start menu, and then you will have an option of Task Manager. Just click on it, open up your Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager panel, you need to just go with the Processes tab. Under the Processes, just simply find and close anything related to League of Legends, like League of Legends or Riot Client. Just simply find them and then close them. For example, I'll just simply go and close Discord right here. Just right-click on it and go with End Task, and it has been closed. In the same way, you need to close all of the tabs of League of Legends or Riot Client. Just simply click on it and End Task again. Once you've done that, try to restart your game and see if the issue is resolved. Now, if the first method doesn't work, then the second step or the next step is to force the game and Riot Client to run with the correct permissions and compatibility settings. Now, this can resolve conflicts with Windows as well. Now, the process involves changing the settings for a few different files. So let me walk you through exactly how you have to do it. First, we need to find the Riot Client's installation folder. So in order to find that in your Windows search panel, you need to search for Riot Client. Then simply click on Open File Location. Now this should take you to a shortcut right here. Click on the shortcut and click on Open File Location. You need to just right click on it and then you will have an option of Open File Location. Just click on Open File Location. And over here, you'll be able to see a folder, which is Riot Client services.exe. Right click on that. And then you'll find an option of Properties. You need to click on Properties. Now in the Properties panel, click on the Compatibility. Over here, you need to check two boxes, which is Run this program in compatibility mode for, and then select Windows 8 from the drop down. And then you need to go with the next one, which is Run this program as an administrator. Just click on it and then click on Apply and click on OK. Once you've done that, you just need simply go back one folder to Riot Games folder, and right over there you should be able to see your League of Legends game folder, which will be right here. You'll have your League of Legends folder right here. You should be able to find another folder, and inside that folder you should be able to find your League of Legends client. Do the same thing, just right click on the League of Legends.exe and then go to Properties, then Compatibility, and apply the same settings. Click on both of the options, choose Windows 8 over here from the drop down, and then click on Apply and OK. So that's it. Now you know two simple but powerful solutions to fix the League of Legends not opening issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.